It's an interesting question. What machine, what brand, what size is the correct, right? Well, the answer is depends. And what I mean by that is, what are your goals? The Continental Girbau machines, they really push soft mount machines, which soft mounts are great because they'll spin at 450 G-force. They have their own suspension system in them, so you're not transmitting that load to the floor, so you can put them over basements. They also have the new beautiful touch screen that's super easy to use that they can have add-ons. So the customer says, hey, I want to wash, but I want extra rinse and I want extra wash and an extra spin on it. Those are all adders that could add to, on a vended cycle, add a little more revenue per. So again, the high G extract is wonderful because then you come out of it and you put it in the dryer. Instead of taking 30 or 40 minutes, you're getting it done in 15 or 20 minutes of dry. So, but it does cost more money to have those features. They make other machines that are hard mount, which means the suspension system, it doesn't have a suspension system in it. It's mounted to a floor, which you've got to have enough concrete to hold it to the floor. And those will turn out typically 200 G-force, so half the spin, but that's a good spin speed. Go back 15, 20 years ago, everything was 80 G. So we've come a long ways as far as G-force goes. Really, again, just depends on what are your goals, what are you trying to accomplish? Are you wanting a high efficiency, quick turn laundromat? Same thing in an on-premise laundry application. Do we want a very efficient laundry that's moving real quickly with, minimal drying times, which protect the linens? Those all go into a factor of, when people are trying to spend their money, make a decision of, am I willing to pay the little extra for these added benefits, or budget constraints is we just want to go to kind of a more standard type wash.